Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll start by getting both devices ready, your computer with a modern browser and your phone signed into Snapchat. Once done, open Web. Snapchat. Calm and choose Login. The site prefers a QR scan for speed and security. If you use a password, enter it and follow multi-factor prompts. Make sure notifications and camera permissions are allowed on your phone so the QR scan works. This step links your session and establishes a secure bridge between phone and web. After you've signed in, connect by scanning the QR code shown on the web page with your Snapchat camera. This authenticates you without typing long passwords. Now navigate the left sidebar to open chats, view stories, or access memories. Click items to load conversations or media. When you send snaps or start calls, grant the browser camera and mic access so audio and video transmit. Make sure to sync settings. Otherwise, notifications or saved messages might not appear consistent. To finish, sign out on the web when you're done, especially on shared computers, to close the session and protect privacy. If messages or snaps fail to send, refresh the web tab, confirm camera and mic permissions, and reconnect your phone to the account. These steps resolve most sync issues. If QR scanning fails, restart the app, update to the latest Snapchat version, check lighting and camera focus, and retry. These quick fixes address the common connectivity problems you'll encounter.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.